Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. So welcome back to our today's English class. Now, in the previous class, we completed with your writing section, right, in the formal letter, and we completed the last chapter which was remaining as per the deleted syllabus, okay, unit 7. Now, in your grammar gate, we completed all the chapters for PT2. Now, this is one chapter which was omitted from your term 1, right? Quantifiers, chapter number 5. See, page number 35 of your grammar gate. So all of you open that page number 35 of your grammar gate, okay, quantifiers, and we will be studying this chapter today, okay, as it is important to even learn this chapter, so we are not going to skip it. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Now if you see on page number 35, you have quantifiers express an indefinite quantity. They differ from numerals which express a definite quantity. Quantifiers modify noun. So, students, what these quantifiers do? They define indefinite quantity. They express indefinite quantity. Indefinite means with about which you don't know, you can't count, okay, which is in multiples, which is in multiples, आप उसको count easily नहीं कर सकते, okay, वो definite नहीं है, you're not knowing it, you're not knowing how much it is, how much is the quantity, okay, you do not know. So, quantifiers express your indefinite quantity, okay? They differ from numerals which express a definite quantity. So, they are different from the ones which can say the exact quantity of a noun. Okay, differ means they are different from the numbers or the quantities which are used for when you know how much is the quantity of a noun. This one is for quantifiers. They'll express about the quantity you don't know, about the quantity you don't know. So quantifiers modify nouns. The quantifiers modify nouns. Why? Because it obviously tells you about how much a noun is, right? Some of the commonly used quantifiers in English are some, any, much, many, a lot, a few, several, enough, among others. So underline this. See, each and every word is telling that you don't know. See, if I say there are some apples in the fridge, some apples, I don't know how much it is. मैंने गिना नहीं है, बस मुझे पता है कि हाँ रखे हैं अंदर, कुछ रखे हैं अंदर. It is indefinite. Why? Because I do not know how much it is, right? So I'm going to use some words which will define the quantity of it. So which word I used? I used some. So it is a quantifier. Okay, it is expressing an indefinite quantity about the quantity you do not know, right? मच मैनी अलॉट ये सब हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हमें पक्का पता नहीं होता है कि कितनी चीज़ कौन सी है, राइट? कोई कोई पूछता है ना कितना है, तो हम बोलते हैं बहुत सारा है. हाँ, लेकिन कितना? तो ना बहुत सारा, राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? क्वांटिफायर्स. ओके, वी हैव रेड अबाउट काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. ओके, अब काउंटेबल नाउन्स अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के बारे में पढ़ा है. Countable noun means the one which we can count, the one which we can count, and uncountable is not able to count. Okay, you're not able to count. Why? Countable means you can count in numbers. हाँ, ये इतना है, ये 12 है, ये 13 है. Uncountable nouns you cannot count. So for them you use kg, grams and all, right? अब चावल को गिन सकते हो? नहीं. बॉल को गिन सकते हो? यस. एप्पल्स को गिन सकते हो? यस. ना वीट को गिन सकते हो? वीट फ्लोर को गिन सकते हो? नो, यू कांट. बुक्स को गिन सकते हो? यस. कैन यू काउंट वाटर? No, you can't count water. They are measured in liters, right? So, students, there are some countable nouns, there are some uncountable nouns which you have already studied, right? So, the words many, a few are used with countable, much, a little are used with uncountable. So, there is a separation now. See, students, there is a separation. Many, few. ये किसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे? जब हम कोई चीज़ काउंट कर सकते हो. ओके, इफ आई से कितनी बुक्स थी, हाउ मेनी बुक्स वेर देयर, राइट. तो आप क्या कहोगे, देयर वेर सो मेनी बुक्स. आप ऐसा तो नहीं कहोगे ना कि बहुत सारी बुक्स थी. देयर वेर सो मेनी, बहुत सारी का मतलब ये था बहुत, सो मेनी. ओके, बट इफ यू कंपेयर इट इंग्लिश, यू वोंट, यू आस्क हाउ मच. मच किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? हाउ मच वाटर इज लेफ्ट. क्या आप बोलते हो कभी हाउ मेनी वाटर इज लेफ्ट? कितन, हाँ, गिन के बता सकते हो कितना पानी बाकी है? नहीं, right? So therefore you say how much? A little, little water is there, little water is left. आप भी little बोलते हो ना, आप ऐसे नहीं बोलते हो ना few पानी बाकी है मेरा. Okay, so students, there are few words which are separated for countable and some are separated for uncountable. So the words many, a few are used with countables and much, a little is used with uncountables. Okay, now turn the page. Now we are going to study about many. Many, a large number of, and much is large amount of. Many का मतलब क्या होता है? Large number of. Okay, number of means because we can count something. Okay, when something is in very large number, 100 books are there, 2000 books are there, so there are so many books, right? And much का मतलब होता है amount. much का मतलब होता है amount which you can measure in some, liter, gram or anything. Okay, or are mostly used in questions and negative sentences. Okay, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस तो पता है ना, जिसमें नॉट होता है एंड क्वेश्चन. सो ये मैनी और मच मोस्टली कहाँ यूज होता है? यूज इट इन क्वेश्चन. ओके, हाउ मच ऑफ वाटर इज देयर. ओके, और हाउ मच ऑफ पेट्रोल इज देयर. सो हाउ मेनी बुक्स आर, the pencils you are having. So what is all these, students? So mostly in questions and in negative we used many and much. In a positive sentence we use a lot of or lots of is more usual. So in answer, or you can say in a positive sentence, what do you use? A lot of or lots of. Okay, there are lots of books. Okay, there is a lot of water. Now clear? Okay, so this is mainly the difference that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, students. Now, were there many people at cinema? Can you count people? Yes, you can count people. So before the noun people, what is the quantifier used? Many. Okay, it means were there many people in the cinema? क्या बहुत ज़्यादा लोग थे सिनेमा में? Right? Do you drink much tea? Do you drink much tea? Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा चाय पीते हो क्या? बहुत ज़्यादा, right? So much. Why much we used over here? Because tea is uncountable. Tea is uncountable. Okay, and many is countable. I'm only writing count. Okay. Now next, there is a lot of sugar in the cupboard. A lot of sugar. I have a lot of friends. I have lots of friends. Okay, so lots of is more usual with countable nouns. Okay, and a lot of sugar. क्या एक एक sugar को गिनने वाले हो? नहीं, a lot of sugar. Positive sentence है ना? So we used a lot of or lots of. Mostly a lot of will come with uncountable and lots of you can use with countable. Is it clear? Easy? Now next, a few means, a few का मतलब क्या होता है? थोड़ा. Few का मतलब क्या होता है? थोड़ा. Means a small number of. A few means small number of. Okay, I have few books with me, or I have few apples left with me. I have few chocolates left with me. इसका मतलब क्या होता है students? कि थोड़ा सा बाकी है, थोड़े से चॉकलेट्स है मेरे पास. ओके, यू कैन काउंट इन नंबर्स, मे बी 5, मे बी 6, right? So a few means a small number of. A little means a small amount of. A little, why? Amount comes where you cannot count your noun. Where you cannot count your noun. So a little means थोड़ा है, थोड़ा सा है. If I say how much water is left, if my question is how much water is left, अब much कहाँ use होता है? Much we use it in uncountable noun. Just now we studied in the first line, right? So if it's the question how much water is left, what is going to be your answer? Obviously your answer is going to be little water is left. ठीक है, अगर कोई आपसे पानी मांगता है थोड़ा सा पानी बाकी है. Okay, so here a little we are going to use for uncountable nouns. You are going to use for uncountable nouns. Okay, how much food is left? Little food is left. You don't say few food is left. Few, क्या आप खाना गिनने नहीं वाले हो, right? So little, what do we use? Little. And few we are going to use for countable nouns. Okay, see the examples for few and a little is also given over here. There are a few books. I saw a few Europeans. Give him a little rice, give him a little money to spare. Okay, he has a little money to spare, sorry. So books can be counted, right? So that is why a few is mentioned over here. I saw Europeans, again they were able to count it, they were able to count it. Okay, give him a little rice, give him a little money. Now see, money, he has a little money means money can be counted. Okay, but over here we are talking about indefinite. Okay, so that is why he has a little money to spare. Spare का मतलब उसके पास सिर्फ थोड़े पैसे बचे हैं खर्च करने के लिए, right? You don't know how much it is. There are some. Okay, so this was the use of a few, a little. Okay, students. Now first we studied about many and much, then we studied about few and little. Now see over here, we can use much, many, a few and a little without a noun. अब noun, अब see everywhere over here, बुक्स भी नाउन है, उससे पहले क्वांटिफाई यूज्ड हुआ है. यूरोपियंस नाउन है, उससे पहले क्वांटिफाई यूज्ड हुआ है. राइस नाउन है, मनी नाउन है, फ्रेंड्स नाउन है, शुगर, पीपल, टी, ये सब नाउन है, उससे पहले हमने क्वांटिफायर यूज्ड किया है, राइट? नाउ what is mentioned over here, you can use quantifiers without a noun. How are you going to use quantifier without a noun? Did you take any photos? No, not many. See, answer is given over here in negative. Okay, but here noun is not used. Why a noun is not used? Because students, it's already mentioned in this dialogues. Okay, वो सामने से पूछता है do you have pens? आप बोलोगे no I don't have any pen. आप ऐसा बोलोगे no don't have any. ऐसा बोलोगे तो भी चलेगा ना, क्योंकि उसने सामने से पेन का तो मेंशन किया है और आप पेन के ही बारे में बात कर रहे हो. सो हियर इज द सेम थिंग. डिड यू टेक एनी फोटोज? अब वो पूछ किसके बारे में रहा है? फोटोज के बारे में पूछ रहा है. सो व्हाट विल आंसर? नो नॉट मैनी. नो नॉट मैनी. अब पता ही है फोटोज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. सो यू डोंट नीड टू मेंशन इट अगेन. यू डोंट नीड टू मेंशन योर नाउन अगेन. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन ओमिट योर नाउन. अगर लिखोगे तो गलत नहीं होगा, but it's okay if you don't write. Okay, let's buy some sugar. There isn't much in the tin. Okay, much, see, now see, not, isn't a negative sentence hai, so here you are using much and many. Now for sugar we are using much. Why? Because you can't count. And many because you can count photos. Okay, how much salt is there? Only a little. Only a little. So you don't need to mention it in a full sentence again. This is the way you can write without noun. You can write the quantifiers without your noun. Okay, next we can use a lot, not a lot of without a noun. अच्छा, अब आपको a lot of noun के बिना यूज करना है. ये हमने पढ़ा था ना यहाँ पर. yes, over here a lot of हमें यूज करना है नाउन लेकिन नाउन नहीं लिखना है, तो हमें क्या कट करना पड़ेगा, हमें ऑफ को कट कर देना पड़ेगा, हमें ऑफ को कट कर देना पड़ेगा. When you are not writing your noun with a lot of, okay? So he ate a lot or he ate lots. अब आप फूड को मेंशन करना चाहो तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा he ate a lot of food, okay? He ate a lot of sweets. लेकिन आप ये मेंशन नहीं करना चाहते, बस ये कि बहुत खाया, तो क्या बोलोगे आप, he ate a lot. He ate a lot, बहुत खा लिया. You don't say बहुत स्वीट्स खा लिए, बहुत खा लिया. So he ate a lot. अब आप यहाँ पे ऑफ नहीं यूज़ करोगे. Why? You are going to add off only when you are going to write noun with it. Okay? Noun तो याद है ना? Naming word, name of person, place, animal, thing, right? Now, here there are some points to remember. There are 4 points to remember, okay? Many and few are used only with countable nouns. ये हमने पढ़ा था. Much and little are used with uncountable nouns. Some is used in both countable and uncountable. Okay. Now, some is used for both countable and uncountable. Some rice, some books. अब समझ आया? Some rice, rice को गिन सकते हो? नहीं. Books को गिन सकते हो? Yes. So some can be used for both. Okay. Any is used with both countable and uncountable nouns, but only in questions and negative sentences. अब याद रखना, any जो है ये हम we going to use this for both countable and uncountable nouns. But what is the case over here? Only when you're asking a question or you're writing a negative sentence, you are going to use any. अब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो या नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बोल रहे हो, काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल दोनों में एनी यूज़ कर सकते हो. डू यू हैव एनी वीडियो गेम्स? आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट दिस. एनी वीडियो गेम्स काउंटेबल. आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अनकाउंटेबल. आइडिया को काउंट कर सकते हो, कितनी आइडिया चल रही है अंदर, right? So do you have any video games? Countable, uncountable. So any can be used for both countable and uncountable, but only in question and negative sentences. So what we have studied before this remembering points, ये पूरा summary है. Okay, so keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Okay, students. Now, after this, you are having exercise. After this, you are having exercise. Start doing it by yourself. Next video, we'll be discussing both the exercises. And at that time, you can correct your answers with me when I will be discussing. So, write it with pencil. And if you are having still any doubt in quantifiers, कि मैम ये use many का use नहीं समझ आया, much का use नहीं आया, you can ask in the comment section. See you soon with the next video.